Hello everyone, this is Tapish Gaur. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Guys, it happens sometimes that you feel that I'm stuck in a endless loop of introduction with no progress. So during these times, during this time, take a small break. Stop yourself. Sit down. Close your eyes and reset your brain for 10 minutes. By doing this you are dropping all your problems from your minds, feeling refreshed, feeling energized, waking up yourself. Guys, as today's topic is life is too small for worry. So here I am sharing a list of few things which comes to my mind, that these are the things and the problems which commonly worry you so often, so far, and very often. The first thing is being perfect. This holds true for all of us, that we keep on striving, we keep on struggling to be Mr. Perfectionist. But believe me, there is nothing called perfection, yeah, perfect on this earth. You basically invest time, invest your energy in development, in your own development, in your own skills development, in your own growth. The second most common worry I had seen, that what people thinks about me. Guys, it's a very very common worry, that we keep on thinking what people thoughts of me. Believe me believe me, people don't have much time to think about us. They are basically engaged with their own agenda, they had with their own problems. So they are concentrating, they are focusing in their own problem. They don't have much time to think about us. So you need not to worry what people thought of me. You basically you need to work upon your own skill development, sharpen your skills. You need to work on your own progress, work on your own, how you can develop yourself further better. The third thing, which is the most common worry with most of us, that is the growing age. Guys, when we were too young, then we wants to grow older. But when we are growing, then we start counting this. Yeah, right, today I'm at 30, now we are at 40. So ages are only numbers. So don't count your age by numbers. And there is one more fact, that wisdom always comes with an age and experience. So rather than counting the age in numbers, you should count like this: ki I am becoming more wise day by day. I am becoming more wise month after month, becoming more wise year after year. And fourth thing is the past. Like I had seen people, those who had struggled in the past, those who have learned so many things in the past, they they feel ashamed of sharing about their past. Guys, there is nothing wrong in sharing about the past, even if we had struggled in the past, because of our struggle in the past, it bring us to this place where we are right now. The last thing I would like to share, that is haters. Like you can see the profile of celebrities, politicians. They has equal numbers of haters and equal number of followers. So you need not to worry about the haters, because don't try to please everybody, because this the critical feedbacks in our life is also very much required. With the help of the critical feedbacks, and with the help of haters, those who shared those who give critical feedbacks to us, will help us in our growth in the life. So this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. stay healthy and stay safe.